Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manually update your multi-message Chrome extension. This is a quick and easy process, so let's get started. Step 1. Go to the multi-message home page at multi-message.com. Step 2. Click the Add to Chrome button on the multi-message home page. Step 3. Next, click the Remove from Chrome button. This will uninstall the old version of the extension. Step 4. Then, click Add to Chrome again and select Add Extension when prompted. Step 5. Finally, open a new tab and navigate to https://web.whatsapp.com. Your extension is now up to date and ready to use. That's it. With these simple steps, you can keep your multi-message Chrome extension up to date and working smoothly. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to our support team at support@multi-message.com or message us on WhatsApp +1 251 999 8660.